I love St. Louis. What's the best strip club in St. Louis? Hold on a second, let me ask that question again. What's the best strip club in St. Louis? What? You work there? What's the best strip club in St. Louis? Come on, brother, tell me right quick. I want to go tonight. I want somebody to take Juicy J to the best strip club in St. Louis. Ratchet strip club in St. Louis. Who's gonna take Juicy J to the strip club tonight? Is it you? You taking me